Kapuki Kids! Hi there! Little Dorian's had a bath and is ready for bed. Lucky, can you bring me a blanket, please?
Hop, hop! A blankie's my next stop! I'm going to wrap you up!
Oh, chunky fellow, this blankie's too small. Uh-oh, and the big ones are in the washing machine. Please keep your eye on Dorian. I'll put some pillows around him so that he doesn't fall off. And I'll bring some blankies.
Tinkle, tinkle, little star!
When Dorian is wrapped up, he can't wake himself with his hands. Oh, that's strange. It's stuck and won't open. I need someone's help.
Maria, hurry up! Dorian is really fussy!
Oh, don't cry, don't cry. We're going to call someone who can help us. Someone who can fix our washer and bring new baby blankets. Carl, Bianca, we need some help here.
What's the matter? Who called us?
It's Dorian and me. We have a catastrophe.
Catastrophe!
Yes, just imagine. Dorian needs some big baby blankies. I put them into the washing machine, washed them all up, and then the washer refused to open.
Let me have a look.
Thanks so much.
I need some special tools. And I can buy blankies so we have more of those.
Excellent plan.
Where can the tools be in here that I need to fix the washing machine? Here's a police car. And here's a fire truck. Not what I need. This screwdriver won't work. It's too small. Oh, toolboxes! Which one to choose? This one has a screwdriver. This one has a screwdriver. This one is cheaper. I'll get this one. Checkout time! Maybe they have blankies here? Bunny, hop, hop. But it's not a baby blankie. Back on the rack it goes. Here's a blankie. But for some reason or another, it has unicorns on it. We want something with cars. Aha! This is just what we're looking for. Time to check out. Such cute little elephants. I like these so much. I'll buy them too. Did you get everything? Yeah, me too. Let's run! Let's run!
I wonder if Bianca's already bought you new blankies. Bianca and Carl are back, and they've bought so many things. Some rattles and blankies and a big toolbox with tools.
What tools do we need to fix the washer? A hammer? A wrench? A screwdriver? And some pliers. All right. That's it! Works fine! Everything's working!
Fantastic! And I'll go and wash the new rattles. Now it's time to play some. And I'll go bring some blankies. And I'll put the new baby blankies in the washing machine. It opens! Everything is clean and even dry.
Wow!
Thanks so much, Carl. And thank you, Bianca. Now Dorian's going to sleep. Shall we wrap you up?
And me too! And me too!
You too! They asked for it themselves.
We're gonna have a big laugh when the first one is blankied up. Sleepy time?
Yes, for everyone!
Well, okay. I am sleepy. A bundle. And me, I'm a bundle too?
Sure, you're one too. 1, 2, and 3.
He's a real baby.
Good night to everyone. And since the baby carriage is empty, we can use it for a nap for Lucky. And you, who are you going to bundle up for bed today? Probably your favorite baby doll. Hope to see you in the next episode of our video show. Bye-bye! Kapuki Kids! Hi there! Today, I brought Lucky and Nicola to a new play place.
Wow! Wow, look at this shark! Such big teeth! Let's take a ride! Wow! Wait! I want to bring Leo with me!
Lucky, wait! You can't roll the wooden car down a tube slide.
I can't? Okay then, you stay and I'll slide! Woohoo! Nicola's going for a ride too! Ride, ride, ride! I'm on a slide. Oh, it's Leo. Let's go. Finders keepers, losers keepers. Look, he's coming out of the shark's mouth. Make way for turtles. Move over, Chunky. Let's see. A slide. Hey. Make a boom. Oh, something's falling onto me. Oh, well. Hey, Nicola, look at me. You little thief. It's our Leo the truck. Catch him. Stop. Stop, Minion. He's stolen Leo. Let's catch him.
Ow!
Aha! There you are! Got you!
Oh, what's happened? It looks like the minion has scattered all of Leo's parts everywhere. Can you help us find them in this huge play place?
Yes!
Let's go then.
Let's look around those slides. Nothing here. Maybe Minion climbed Mount Everest? Oh, I'm sure of it. Leo the truck's parts must be there. I see some parts on the trampolines. Bianca, you're so brave! Oh, sweet girl, where did you say you saw the parts? On the trampoline? Look, he's jumping non-stop! They're doing their hoppity hops, and I have to drag around Leo's base. Have you found any parts yet? Sure have! One more part is missing. Actually, two. Detectives, get busy searching.
We'll look around here. So many balls!
Watch out! A ball storm is starting! Oh, yummy little kitchen! Huh? Oh, it's empty! Well, let me wash my little paws first. Okay, what if I were to find some food? I'll go look for... Oh, can't eat this! Can't eat this either! Oh, can't eat this either! Oh, look, he's had some luck! Yum, 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 yum! Eggplant! Nom, 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 nom! Cucumber! Oh, wow! Look, a mango! Nicola, a mango! think I'm a little stuck. Can somebody push me down with a ball? Whoa! Oh, squeeze through. Thank you. You're eating again? We should be searching for Leo. Let's go. Oh, I forgot. Carl! Bianca! Help us over here, quick!
Oh yeah!
Oh, they'll find the port snuggle.
I think they're near the slide. Found them! Okay, thanks! Thank you very much, Bianca! You're my chunky! Let's put Leo's eyes and mouth back in place! And now it's lunchtime! Great! Lunchtime! One last slide and then we'll go have lunch. It's delicious!
Shall we give some to Minion too?
Yes! Yes!
Is he going to be good and not play any more pranks?
He'll be a good minion.
And not take people's things without permission?
Not without permission.
If he promises, we'll invite him too. Minion! Some pancake? Bon appetit!
Thank you.
Did you have a good time at the new Children's Play Center? Then we'll see you next time, won't we?
A nice show.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kapuki Kids! Hello! We're out in the country.
Skip and hop. Locked and locked.
Hey, little one. You forgot. Your stroller's still in the trunk.
My stroller.
Let's fly off on an adventure.
Fly off like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. We're going flying.
Don't be silly. Let's see what's over here. Well, now, what are these things?
Oh, raspberries! Look, those are white currants. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Delicious! Whoa, 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 whoa! Are there other types of currants? Of course. Well, what kind? Red ones. Want some red ones? Yeah!
currants could also be black.
Lucky's found an apple! Hop, 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 hop. I'll have to shake the tree. Lucky versus the apple tree. Hey, apples! Come on down! Oh, Maria!
Lucky! Oh, you've got a boo-boo.
We've got to call an ambulance. Hello, Mr. Ambulance, please come quick.
Quickly! The ambulance got here so quickly! Hooray!
Where's his boo-boo?
It's here, behind his ear.
Let's have a look now. We need to check your temperature. Looks normal. It hurts! It hurts! I see he has a boo-boo. We've got to bandage it up and use some ointment. Blow on it, please! That wasn't so bad. Now for a bandage.
A bandage from...
Elsa! It doesn't hurt. Let's bandage you up. Oh, what's that? A stretcher. The stretcher! Let's go!
My Lucky's gotten better again so fast. But we forgot all about the berries. Oh no!
Oh, they're sour! We'll make them sweet now. What's that? Berry and whipped cream porridge.
Berry and whipped cream porridge. Made just for our little Lucky.
And for me.
Try. I think our chef should try some too. And now for Lucky.
Oh, I love the countryside.
Me too. Do you?
Yeah.
Just remember to watch out for falling apples.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Oh, don't fall.